Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we have a lot to go over. We have an absolute huge glitch list with 22 glitches, and we do have a couple of new ones that we need to go over. Plus, I'm going to be sharing with y'all 5 3 off 15 deals that y'all can do any day of the week this week at Dollar General. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so, and don't forget to turn on your notifications so that you don't miss out on any awesome deals. While you're at it, hit that thumbs up button for me because it's a free way that you can help support this channel. Leave me a comment down below, let me know how y'all are doing today, and take a second to share the video. Alright guys, let's jump right in. Alright, so first up, we have a couple of new glitches to go over. We did receive this new 1-off-1 digital coupon for the 9 Lives dry cat food. This does work on the 12-ounce bags that are priced at $1.25. So after that coupon's applied, you're going to pay just 25 cents. Alright, next up, here's one that I forgot to mention in Sunday's video. Man, Sunday was just an absolute scramble to get that video out, and I did overlook a few things. So, we have this 5 off 3 digital coupon for the Secret deodorants. If you want to pick up the Secret travel size deodorants, those are $1.35 each. Pick up 3 of those, use this coupon, and that's going to make it completely free, plus give you 95 cents in overage. Alright, next up, we have this 3 off 2 digital coupon for the Ivory deodorants or body washes. If you can find the Ivory body wash 12 fluid ounce bottles, those are priced at $1.80 each. Pick up 2 and use this coupon. You're going to pay 60 cents for 2. Alright, now our next couple of glitches are older glitches, but I wanted to go ahead and include them to let y'all know that these glitches are still going on. And I know that a lot of you guys are waiting on your stores to restock. So if you haven't used these coupons yet, you really need to be on the lookout for these items this week because these coupons do expire at the end of the week, unfortunately. So first up, we have the 4 off 1 Centrum Vitamins digital coupon. This works on the Centrum Minis. Those are priced at $3. After the coupon, that's going to make it completely free, plus give you $1 in overage. Now I have found these in the regular spot in the vitamin aisle and also in the clearance section, so y'all keep your eyes peeled. Alright, next up we have a 5 off 1 digital coupon for the AZO products. So if you can find the AZO cranberry tablets 20 count, those are priced at $3.50. After that 5 off 1 coupon is applied, that's going to make it completely free, plus give you $1.50 in overage. Next up, we have this 1 off 2 digital coupon for the Clorox products. Now, this is working on the Clorox dish soap for $1 found in the dollar aisle. Pick up 2 of those, use this coupon. That's going to leave you paying $1 for 2. Now, this 1 off 2 digital coupon for the Clorox products also works on the Clorox hand soaps. So these are also $1 each found in the dollar aisle. Pick up 2 of those, use this coupon. That's going to leave you paying $1 for 2. Alright, next up, we have 50 cents off one for the Suave deodorants. Now, this is working on the 1.4 ounce Suave deodorants. These are priced at $1.35 each. After the coupon's applied, you're going to pay just 85 cents. Alright, now next up, some of you may not consider this a glitch, but I think it's close enough that I'm going to include it anyways. We have this $2.50 off 1 digital coupon for some Glade products. There are specific ones that are listed. This coupon is working on the 2 count Glade plug-in warmers. Those are priced at $3.75. So after that coupon's applied, you're going to pay $1.25. Alright, next up, now this is another older glitch, and you guys should actually have 2 of the 150 off 1 Airwick coupons on your account, so you could do this glitch twice if you wanted to. So we have this 150 off 1 digital coupon. It is working on the Airwick scented oil warmers. Those are priced at $2.25. So after the coupon's applied, you're going to pay just 75 cents. Alright, next up we have this 125 off 1 digital coupon for the Snuggle products. Now this is supposed to work on the larger Snuggle products, but it is working on the 40 count Snuggle dryer sheets. Those are priced at $2.60, so after the coupon you're going to pay $1.35. Alright, next up we received this 50 cent off 1 digital coupon for the Puffs tissue multi-packs, but it is working on the Puffs tissue cubes. Those are priced at $1.90, so after the coupon you're going to pay $1.40. Next up, we have this 25 cent off 1 digital coupon for the Bounty paper towels. Now, here's a glitch that I haven't seen in a while, but it is working on the 1 count Bounty Essential paper towels for $1 found in the dollar aisle. So pick up 1 of those, use that coupon, and that's going to leave you paying just 75 cents. Alright, next up, we have this 1 off 2 digital coupon for the Mr. Clean products. If you can find the Mr. Clean Magic Erasers for $1 in the dollar aisle, pick up 2 of those, use this coupon, that's going to leave you paying $1 for 2. Now, I do want to go ahead and give you all a heads up on this glitch because we did have the same exact glitch last month, and I know that a lot of people were saying that the glitch didn't work once they got into the store, that they found the Mr. Clean Magic erasers, they scanned it with their app, and the coupon would not attach. So, in my head, I'm thinking a couple of different things. It could be that there is a specific UPC code that it has to be in order for that coupon to attach, or it could possibly be that the coupon just doesn't show as working in the app, and it will work once you get up to the register and type your phone number in. I'm not sure because I have not been able to find these at any of my local stores, but I am going to try to go to a couple of new stores this week. So if I am able to find those, I will try that at the register and see if it will go ahead and work, whether or not it will attach and show in the app or not. All right, next up, now here is one that definitely works. We have the Crest with Scope mouthwash travel or trial sizes. So these are priced at $1, found in the little trial or travel section. Use this 1-off-1 digital coupon, and that's going to make it completely free. All right, next up, we have this 2-off-1 digital coupon for the Crest toothpaste. Now, this works on the Crest Pro Health toothpaste for $1 found in the dollar aisle. So pick up one of those, use this coupon. That's going to make it completely free, plus give you $1 in overage. All right, next up, here is an awesome 3-off-2 digital coupon for the Crest and Oral-B products. Now, this coupon works on a total of 4 products, so you can definitely mix and match. One of the items that works with this coupon is the Crest Pro Health toothpaste for $1 found in the dollar aisle. Pick up 2 of those, use this coupon. That's going to give you 2 of them for free, plus give you $1 in overage as well. Now, this 3-off-2 digital coupon also works on the Crest with Scope toothpaste for $1 found in the dollar aisle. So pick up 2 of those, use that 3-off-2 coupon, and that's going to make it completely free, plus give you $1 in overage. Now, this 3-off-2 digital coupon also works on the Oral-B Healthy Clean toothbrushes for $1 found in the little toothbrush section. So pick up 2 of those, use this coupon, that's going to make it completely free, plus give you $1 in overage. And this 3-off-2 also works on the Oral-B Bright and Clean toothbrushes, also priced at $1 each. So pick up 2 of those, use this coupon, that's going to make 2 completely free, plus give you $1 in overage. Now, I did make a post about this in the community tab last Saturday, where I found a lot of those Healthy Clean and Bright and Clean toothbrushes in the regular toothbrush section, but they were not in their correct spot. So they were underneath, I believe, the toothbrushes that were priced at $5.75. So you really have to look and check out that toothbrush section, and you may just come across some that have been put in the wrong spot. All right, now next up, here's kind of a weird glitch, but it is a glitch nonetheless. We have this 1-off-2 digital coupon for the Clorox products, and it works on the 409 all-purpose cleaners. So these are priced at $3.75 each. Pick up 2 of those, use that coupon. You're going to pay $6.50 for 2. All right, next up, now here's another glitch that's not a great glitch, but again, it is a glitch nonetheless. So we have this 1-off-2 digital coupon for the Hefty Slider bags. This is working on the DG Home Slider Storage Bags, gallon size, 23 count. These are priced at $2.50 each. So pick up 2 of those, use this coupon. You're going to pay $4 for 2. Now, like I said, that wasn't a really great glitch, and not all glitches are created equally, right? So just to go ahead and show you all a quick example, here is a daily deal. This is a legit deal. It is not a glitch deal, but we do have all of the Hefty Slider bags this week. They are on sale, 2 for $5. So pick up 2 of any size that you want for $5. Use that 1-off-2 digital coupon, and that's going to leave you paying $4 for 2. All right, now before we get into our 3-off-15 scenarios, I have one more thing that I want to talk about. And on Sunday's video, I told you all that we had a glitch with this 4-off-1 Bic razor coupon. This was working with the Bic Simply Soleil razors, and it was making them free, plus giving us overage. Unfortunately, that glitch has been fixed. But this is still a really great deal. You can pick up the Bic Flex 3 razors, 3 count. Those are priced at $4.50. So after the coupon, you're going to pay just 50 cents. All right, now we're going to get into our 3-off-15 deals that y'all can do any day of the week at Dollar General. Now, we're going to be using this 3-off-15 back-to-school DG store coupon. This one does expire on August the 19th, and there is a lot that will work with this 3-off-15 coupon. So if we take a look at the details, y'all can see right here, it does include stationery, paper, home cleaning, and the housewares department. So let's go ahead and jump right in because these deals are amazing this week. So first up, we have a little back to school deal. You want to pick up one of the Crayola 24 count crayons at $1.50, one of the Crayola 10 count markers at $1.50, one of the Crayola 12 count pencils at $1, two of the Bic whiteouts for $1 each, one of the Bounty 1 count paper towels for $1, one of the Puffs tissue cubes for $1.90, two of the Clorox dish or hand soaps for $1 each, three of the Chlorine multi-purpose sprays for $2.50 each, one of the Crest Pro Health toothpaste for $1, two of the Crest with Scope toothpaste for $1, one of the AZO 20 count tablets for $3.50. That's going to bring your subtotal to $24.90. Alright, and here is your list of coupons. So, of course, you're going to need that 3 off 15 DG store coupon, the 1 off 4 Crayola products, the 1 off 2 Bic stationery products, the 25-cent off 1 Bounty, the 50-cent off 1 Puffs, the 1 off 2 Clorox, the buy 2 get 1 free Chlorine, the 2 off 1 Crest toothpaste, the 3 off 2 Crest and Oral-B products, and the 5 off 1 AZO product. Your subtotal after coupons will be $5.65 for 16 items, making each one just 35 cents each. Alright, so for this next deal, you want to pick up one of the Arm & Hammer laundry products for $4.25. There's different ones that y'all can choose from, such as the liquid laundry detergent, the pods, or the scent beads. Then you want to pick up one of the Snuggle 40 count sheets at $2.60, three of the Chlorine multi-purpose sprays at $2.50 each, one of the Bounty 1 count paper towels for $1, one of the Puffs tissue cubes for $1.90, one of the AZO 20 count tablets at $3.50, one of the Crest Pro Health toothpaste for $1, two of the Crest with Scope toothpaste for $1 each, and that is going to put your subtotal at $23.75. Alright, and here's your list of coupons. So, of course, you're going to need that 3 off 15 DG store coupon, the 150 off 1 Arm & Hammer, the 125 off 1 Snuggle, the buy 2 get 1 free Chlorine products, the 25-cent off 1 Bounty, the 50-cent off 1 Puffs, the 5 off 1 AZO product, the 2 off 1 Crest, and the 3 off 2 Crest or Oral-B products. That's going to bring your subtotal after coupons down to $4.75 for all 11 items, making each one just 43 cents each. Alright, next up we have a Gain deal. So for this one, you want to pick up one of the Gain laundry products priced at $7.50. So there's a lot of different ones that you can choose from. We have the liquid laundry detergent, the flings, the fabric softener, the sheets, or the fireworks. Just make sure that they're priced at $7.50. Then you want to pick up one of the Gain liquid laundry detergents priced at $5.50, one of the Gain laundry products priced at $4.50, one of the Gain scented Febreze small spaces priced at $3.25. Alright, then you want to throw in some items to take advantage of that overage. So pick up one of the Crest Pro Health toothpaste priced at $1, two of the Oral-B toothbrushes priced at $1 each, three of the Secret travel size deodorants priced at $1.35 each. That's going to put your subtotal at $27.80. Alright, and here's your list of coupons. So you're going to need that 5 off 20 Gain DG store coupon, the 3 off 15 DG store coupon, the 2 off 1 Gain, the 1 off 1 Gain, another 1 off 1 Gain, the 2 30 off 1 Febreze small spaces, the 2 off 1 Crest, the 3 off 2 Crest and Oral-B, and the 5 off 3 Secret deodorant. Your subtotal after coupons will be just $3.50 for all 10 items, making each one just 35 cents each. Now, I will say that I haven't had time to get to Dollar General to try out this scenario for myself just yet. So, if the 3 off 15 DG store coupon does not stack, it's possible that your subtotal after coupons will be $6.50 for 10 items, making each one just 65 cents each. But for myself, if both of those coupons don't stack and my subtotal isn't $3.50, for me, I'm going to go ahead and void the transaction and save those coupons for Saturday. Alright, now for this next one, we're going to take advantage of the instant savings on the All, Snuggle, and Purex products. So when you spend $15, you're going to instantly save 3 at the register. So for this one, you want to pick up 3 of the Snuggle scent beads priced at $5 each, one of the Febreze small spaces priced at $3.25, 2 of the Oral-B toothbrushes priced at $1 each, and one of the Centrum mini vitamins for $3. That's going to bring your subtotal to $23.25, but that $3 in instant savings will come off first at the register. That's going to drop your new subtotal down to $20.25. And here's your list of coupons. So, of course, you're going to need that 3 off 15 DG store coupon, 3 of the 2 off 1 Snuggle scent beads insert coupons from the 7/17 save, the 2 30 off 1 Febreze small spaces, the 3 off 2 Crest and Oral-B products, and the 4 off 1 Centrum vitamins. Your subtotal after coupons will be $1.95 for all 7 items, making each one just 27 cents each. Alright, and last but not least, here is an all-digital, super low out-of-pocket deal. So for this one, you want to pick up 2 of the Stem bug sprays at $7 each, 2 of the Clorox dish soaps at $1 each, 1 of the Febreze Small Spaces for $3.25, 1 of the Crest Pro Health toothpaste for $1, 2 of the Crest with Scope toothpaste for $1 each, 3 of the Secret Travel deodorants for $1.35 each. That's going to bring your subtotal to $26.30. And here's your list of coupons. So, of course, you're going to need that 3 off 15 DG store coupon, the $8.99 off 2 Stem products, the 1 off 2 Clorox, the $2.30 off 1 Febreze Small Spaces, the 2 off 1 Crest toothpaste, the 3 off 2 Crest and Oral-B toothbrushes, sorry about that typo there, and the 5 off 3 Secret deodorants. Your subtotal after coupons will be $1.01 for 11 items, making each one just 9 cents each. Now, I do want to go ahead and point out that there is not one scenario in this video where I included all of the glitches that have overages this week, okay? Now, I did that on purpose because I want you guys to have a little bit of wiggle room. So, like the Crest toothpaste and the Crest toothbrushes, if you guys can't find those, you may be able to find the Secret deodorants and the AZO tablets or whatever it may be. But I did include 2 or 3 in each scenario. That way you guys will have a little bit of wiggle room, and if you can find one thing but you can't find another, maybe you'll have a way to substitute that in and take advantage of another overage item. Now, if you can find all of them, by all means throw them all together and get you a really low out-of-pocket deal this week at Dollar General. But I wanted to do that on purpose and just go ahead and let y'all know that you do have wiggle room with all of these scenarios. Now, if you guys are looking for even more deals that y'all can do this week, make sure that you check out the pinned comment down below. I'm going to be linking all of the videos that I have uploaded this week down there in that very first top comment of the comment section. So make sure that you go and check that out. I'm going to have the Sunday Dollar General video where we go over all of the new coupons. Plus, I uploaded a quick 3 or 4 minute video going over some Walgreens clearance finds. And then I am very proud of my Walgreens haul this week. I have in that video 4 easy Walgreens deals that y'all can do that are super cheap, free, and money makers. So y'all make sure that you go check out those videos if you haven't already. Alright guys, so that is it for me for now. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and before you go, if you're not already subscribed, go ahead and hit that big red subscribe button. It's right down below this video because we would love to have you as a part of our crazy couponing family here. Also, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button because it's a free way that you can help your girl out. Leave me a comment down below and let me know how y'all are doing today, and take a second to share the video. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a wonderful day, and I will see you on the next one.